Hey, this is the life of whatever I could fucking find. Fuck! In the goddamn parking lot of Walmart. Fucking, away she goes.
Walmart.
Cheers up, boys. Fuck, away she goes. Fuck! Fuck. There she fucking goes. Fuck! Hey folks, this is Paulie, and we're just gonna say the story how he died. Well, he's fucking flying around. Fucking giving her. Oh fuck.
Oh, holy fuck.
And then Paulie's just going. Sitting on one of them posts up there. Fucking one of them machines there. And he's seen some crow. And he's like, well, I better dab on him. Went to fucking dab, like this. There's fucking crow. They don't want him. Fucking Paulie. Poor little bastard. Anybody like to pet Paulie? Would you like to pet Paulie, man?
No, I'm good.
Well, would you like to pet Paulie? Would anybody like to pet the Paulie bird? Good Paulie. Okay, Paulie. Be free once and for all, Paulie. I love you, man. Fuck. She's done.